Hello guys, welcome once again to the channel. Today I'm here at Half Assini in the western region of Ghana. This is somewhere around Elubro. That's getting to the Ghana Cote d'Ivoire border. And it's amazing out here. As you can see, I'm at the beach right now. This is one of the neatest and beautiful beaches that you can find in Ghana here. As you can see from the background. Guys, as I've always said, I want to give you amazing and quality videos always. So you love what you see here in Half Assini. This is a town that has been neatly and nicely arranged. Looking at the settings and the setup of buildings here in this town is just amazing. It's just wow. The town layout is just beautiful. As a development student, this is one of the prettiest towns that I've seen in Ghana that has really been arranged very well. The buildings have been arranged in order. Everything is in order. There are roads, everything tiled, and I think this is very beautiful. This is amazing. I hope you love this video. Please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to become part of this Sunset family. And please, as I've said, we are going all over Africa to bring you quality and amazing content. Please don't forget to subscribe. I love you and I know you love me too. And I'm going to bring you good content always. A very beautiful afternoon here, viewers. This is by far one of the nicest towns I've visited in Ghana. We welcome you all again to the channel. Today we are coming to you from Half Assini in Jomoro Municipal District, also known as Awiane. It is a small town and is the capital of Jomoro Municipal District, a municipality in the western region of Ghana. It is the hometown of Kwame Nkrumah's father, Krumah. The first president of Ghana had attended elementary school at Half Assini. The town is closer to the western border of Ghana and is known for its beautiful beaches. One of Half Assini's chiefs, Kwaw, was best friends with Ghana's first president in school. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do well to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. Okay guys, I love this town and would love to move in here. If I should vote for the prettiest town in Ghana so far, I think here will be number one. In recent times, the town has been praised for its beautiful environment and the way the settlement has been arranged in a very beautiful way. The roads are nicely tiled, except some portion of the road that leads to the town is in a very bad shape. As you can see from the area shots, the town is very beautiful, with very neat and nice beach stretching from a very long area in the town. At the beach are boats for fishing, which is one of the major occupations of the people in this town. There are people from the Volta region and nearby Ivory Coast in their large population in this town, with the indigenes who are the Half Assinis. There is also an old ship part in the sea which is said to have been there since 1984, when a ship sailing through these shores got stuck and its parts has been wearing out in bits. To get to Half Assini, you need to pass through the Western Regional Capital, that's Takoradi. If you're coming from Accra, Cape Coast, and Kumasi, you pass through Takoradi, then you get through to Half Assini, getting closer to the western border part of Ghana. That's our border with Cote d'Ivoire. It's a very beautiful town, very nice and very well arranged town. And I will praise the engineers or the people who did the town designs in the past, and the people who have been able to stick to this design from years to make sure that this town looks very beautiful up to now. It's a very beautiful place and I love the town so much. Please, if you happen to be in Half Assini, there's Uptown Enterprise. If you come here, you'll find a lot of stuff. They have mobile money for all the networks. You can register your SIM here. They also have mineral water. They have mobile phones and accessories. And then they have everything that you need when you come to Uptown Enterprise. When I got here, they received me very well and helped me a lot. And I think they are good people. You can get there, enter the shop and do all your businesses or anything that you need assistance. You go there, the people there, the workers there are very good and they will help you to do whatever you need to do. The town is very green with greener environments and with the beach and everything. The town looks very nice and beautiful, as you can see from the shots right now. You can see your shot right now is the Half Assini Government Hospital. It's beautifully made and very nice and beautiful hospital. I think if you are sick and get to this hospital, no matter the sicknesses, you should move away because it's a very beautiful place and nice hospital facility that you can see in the shots right now. You also, please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do well to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes. You will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. Please, I want you to sit back, watch this full video, enjoy the background music. You are also seeing the Crown Hotel, one of the best hotels in Half Assini. If you need a place to stay, you have very good prices and nice place for stay, and you love this place.